How to make Menulog driver account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can make a Menulog driver account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to make a Menulog driver account is actually a bit of a tad bit process. Now for this there are a couple of things that you need. That is a valid driver's license. Of course you need to have that to apply as a driver. You also need to have a proof of work eligibility, which can include a photo of your passport or maybe your birth certificate, of Australian birth certificate by the way, worker study visa, or maybe your background check. Now after you have done this, you want to simply open up your browser, and then I'll make sure to drop this official link below, which is careers.menulog.com.au/application. As I repeat, I'll make sure to drop a link below, which is a direct page to apply for Menulog drivers. So from here what you want to do is this is the sign up now option. You can go to first name, last name, enter the email address, phone number, select the city that you want to deliver in, because this is very important, and then tap the create account option. And then after you have done this, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically start as a Menulog driver. This way you can go ahead and then basically start Menulog delivery and make a Menulog driver account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.